This portable solar panel kit delivers substantial charging power in a relatively compact, foldable form that is easy to carry for camping, recreational vehicles, and roadside emergencies. Its lightweight design and slim folded size make it practical to move around a campsite or store in a vehicle without taking up much space. The included separate charge controller offers added protection for 12-volt battery systems, helping to prevent common issues like overcharging or short circuits. Multiple connector options and the long extension cable give you flexibility to place the panel in strong sunlight while keeping your power station or battery bank safely in the shade. High-efficiency monocrystalline cells and a durable, weather-tolerant surface make it well-suited for regular outdoor use when set up and cared for properly. Dual universal serial bus outputs provide convenient charging for phones and small devices, adding everyday usefulness beyond simply topping up larger batteries.